In today's lesson, we will talk about how to record purchases under GST in Tally Prime. Once you activate GST in your company, you can record the purchase of goods and services that attract GST using a purchase voucher. While recording any type of purchase transaction, you can choose either of the following methods. Number 1, for a specific type of purchase transaction, you can create or update the purchase ledger with the relevant nature of transaction. Select this purchase ledger while recording the purchase transaction. Method 2. Select the common purchase ledger during the purchase transaction. Press F12. Set the option Modify tax rate details for GST to Yes. Select the classification or nature. Local purchase. The purchase of goods or services from a supplier in the same state attracts central tax and state tax. Go to the gateway of Tally, select Vouchers, press F9. Enter the supplier invoice number and date. In party account name, select the supplier's ledger or the cash ledger. Select the common purchase ledger in which GST rate is not defined. Select the stock items defined with different GST rates and specify the quantities and rates for each of them. Select the central and state tax ledgers. GST will be calculated based on the GST rates defined in the stock items. Press Ctrl I to view the tax details. Press Alt plus F to view the detailed breakup of tax. Interstate purchase. The purchase of goods or services from a supplier from another state attracts integrated tax. Select the purchase ledger applicable for interstate purchases. Select the integrated tax ledger. Press Ctrl plus A to save. Depending on the location of the supplier, you can record a local or interstate purchase transaction with the applicable GST rates. Purchase of fixed asset. Go to the gateway of Tally. Select Vouchers. Press F9. Enter the supplier invoice number and date. Press Ctrl plus H to select the required voucher mode. Accounting invoice in this case. Select the ledger grouped under fixed assets with the nature of transaction set to purchase taxable and nature of goods set to capital goods. Select the GST ledgers and press enter to save. Purchase from other territory. To record purchases from other territories, enable the option Assessee of other territory in the party ledger. If your company is located in the special or exclusive economic zone, enable the option Assessee of other territory in the company GST details screen. Other territory to other territory. Ensure that the option Assessee of other territory is set to Yes in the company GST details screen. Go to the gateway of Tally. Select Vouchers. Press F9. Select the party ledger in which the option Assessee of other territory is set to Yes. Select the purchase ledger. Select the stock items. Enter the quantity and rate. Ensure the UT tax rate is defined for the stock item. Select the central and UT tax ledgers. Other territory to a state or union territory. Ensure that the option Assessee of other territory is set to Yes in the company GST details screen. Go to the gateway of Tally. Select Vouchers. Select the party ledger in which the option assessee of other territory is set to no. Select the purchase ledger. Please note, if you are an assessee of other territory and your supplier is not of the same state but not of other territory, select a common purchase ledger. Ensure the tax rates are defined in the stock items. The taxes will be calculated accordingly. Select the integrated tax ledger. State or union territory to other territory. Ensure that the option assessee of other territory is set to no in the company GST details screen. Go to the gateway of Tally, select vouchers, press F9. Select the party ledger in which the option assessee of other territory is set to yes. Select the purchase ledger. Please note, if you and your supplier are located in the same state and you do not belong to other territory, but your supplier is an assessee of other territory, select a common purchase ledger. Ensure that the tax rates are defined in the stock items and the taxes will be calculated accordingly. Select the integrated tax ledger. Keep supporting me like this. Please share my videos with your nearest one and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the regular updates. You can click on the info card to watch my previous videos or you can click on the playlist from info card to know elaborately.